respected teachers and all my beloved friends. Wishing all my wonderful teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Today I would like to speak a few words on the topic, the role of teachers in shaping our society. The job of educator is to teach the student to see the virtuality in themselves. Our teachers are the one who light the lamp for us for our good future. They are the one who molds us into good human beings. Teaching is considered as one of the most dignified professions in the world. This is because teachers are the one who molds the future of our nation. Doctors, engineers, politicians, psychologists, all are created by teachers. We must respect our teachers. We should obey, respect, love them because without their blessing, we would never reach anywhere in our life. They play a major role in our achievements because they are our mentors. I love each and every teachers who have taught me and are teaching me. I always remember them in my prayers and seek their blessing before all the important events of my life. They are truly an inspiration for me. According to me, the tough problem faced by the teacher is not identifying the winners. It is by making the winners from ordinary students.
Today, I am going to talk about what students expect from a teacher. Students expect a teacher to be able to show enough strength to take command of the learning situation and draw them out so that they are better and bigger individuals. They look for a tingle of a real thrill in their adventure into learning. They want teachers who are respectful. They want teachers who care about them. They want teachers who encourages them to speak up. There are lots of things that students expect from a teacher. But our teachers are the best and these all qualities. Our teachers are not only good with the students who have studied in our school for a lot of years, but also to the students who are coming into our school every year with a lot of expectations. Today, I would like to thank all the teachers who have put their great effort and hard work to brighten our future and to become who we are today. Teachers scold us, they get angry, but deep in their heart, it's filled with love for their students. To my dearest teacher, for your patience and caring, for your kind words and sharing, I just want to say thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good afternoon, respected teachers. I hope you have a really wonderful day today because today is Teachers' Day. So since today is a really special day for the teachers, I'm gonna talk about how Google can't replace teachers. So, can Google replace teachers? No. Google is important, but it can never replace a teacher in a student's life. Technology may be good for some learning, but it can never be as good as a teacher teaching students. A teacher can also act as a guide, a mentor, and a big inspiration for the students. I personally don't think that Google or technology can replace teachers because it's not just about the knowledge, it's also about the attitude we come to possess later throughout our life being adults. Now I conclude my speech by saying a quote, "Technology won't replace teachers, but a teacher who uses technology may probably replace the teachers who do not." I hope you like my speech today and thank you.
Good morning. So today I am here to talk on the topic, can Google replace a teacher? It is almost known fact that in this modern age, technology is replacing almost everything. We do not need papers and pens as software can be used to write on. We do not need physical books because of the advent of e-books and PDFs. So the question rises, can this modern technology replace teachers too? Is this technology sophisticated enough to teach children the way virtual teachers do? Is the need of human teachers being eliminated? Everyone has perceptions. But what I believe is that the answer to the above statement is a big no. Technology cannot replace a teacher. Technology is merely an adjustment to a teacher. It helps the process of learning, but it certainly cannot replace a teacher. Technology can make it easy to get educated by sitting at home, but the education too is provided by a teacher. Even in online courses, we see that teachers are necessary to give lectures. whether in the form of videos, tutorials, Skype sessions, etc. Children still need to learn computers to operate those online sessions, which of course are taught by teachers. It's significant that we remember a teacher is more than just a facilitator of knowledge. A teacher also acts as a guide, a mentor, and an inspiration for children. A role that cannot be replaced by technology of any kind, taking critical skills into the account like decision making, time management, etc. A child needs a teacher as the technology cannot, that the technology is assisting students in their learning and it's playing a crucial role in the field of education. But as of now, it does not have the power to replace teachers because human interaction cannot be replaced by computers and human skills cannot be taught by technology. I am concluding my speech by saying a quote. Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers is transformative. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A teacher takes a hand, opens the mind, and touches the heart. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Iron Subin Stephen from 4B. Today, I'm going to talk about role of a teacher in shaping the society. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September to honor the contribution of teachers in studies, society and country. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Teaching is the greatest optimism. It is one such profession that creates all other professions. Great teachers like APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan are an inspiration to all of us. Teachers play an extremely important role in our lives and models our personalities. Books, sports, homework and knowledge. You are the pillars of our success. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank all my teachers and appreciate all your efforts. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Every year, the Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. In fact, 5th of September is the birthday of our former President Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher and scholar. A teacher is a good friend and a guide of our life. Teachers take their best efforts to impart good values to us, and they turn us into responsible citizens. Let us pay a hearty tribute to our teachers for shaping our future. Thank you, teachers, and happy Teachers' Day.
Gurupadame Atma Chaitanyame Vadi nee telikkename Niradipame Sneha Saundaryame Koottayi vannidane Sauhradam Poottidum Kaalamaakidane Tejasilonnayi Neenguvan kaniyane Irulil velichamayi Thiriyayi telinjidane സ്വർഗം തെളിച്ചൊരു വഴിയെ നടക്കുവാൻ നന്മതൻ വെട്ടം തെളിച്ചിടുവാൻ സ്വർഗം തെളിച്ചൊരു വഴിയെ നടക്കുവാൻ നന്മതൻ വെട്ടം തെളിച്ചിടുവാൻ കരുതലായി കാവലായി ഗുരുകൃപയായി നീ എന്നുമിൻ ജീവിത പാതയിൽ നിറയണേ എന്നുമിൻ ജീവിത പാതയിൽ നിറയണേ ഗുരുപാദമേ ആത്മചൈതന്യമേ വഴി നീ തെളിക്കണമേ നിറദീപമേ സ്നേഹ സൗന്ദര്യമേ കൂട്ടായി വന്നിടണേ കൂട്ടായി വന്നിടണേ.
This is supreme art of a teacher to awaken joy in curiosity, expression and knowledge said by Albert Einstein. Good morning. I wish all my lovely teachers happy Teachers Day. Today I am standing in front of you to talk a minute about the role of teacher in shaping the society. Teachers truly are the backbone of a society. They are role models to children, offer guidance, dedication and give young people the power of education. Because of teachers, the countries are able to further develop socially and economically. Today, teacher has become a mentor who should guide students to the thorns of education. Teacher plays a key role in the society growth as they help to shape the mindset of a nation. Role of teacher is important not only in the classroom but also in a society. Teachers are responsible to obtain and give the knowledge and skills from their generation to the generation coming. Doing so, the teacher ensures the survival of human and its life. In fact, by their training and dedication, teachers are key to quality education. Knowledge such as wisdom, moral, and ethical values can be learned from teacher. To ensure the correct development of students, the teacher can first ensure that the student is having the proper education in a safe environment. Another method is to provide teaching and that the learning method thought is efficient. Third is to increase a student's self-esteem and personal confidence. Finally is to prepare.
Good morning to all my teachers. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day which kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day and make sure that the future is bright for all of us. It's my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. As we all know, it's impossible to define teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching. Teachers are our second parents. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of a child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from the academic, teachers stand by us and in every step to guide, motivate, inspire to become a better people. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers for selfless service and dynamic support. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Respected teacher and my beloved friends, I'm Manali Pal from 4th B and today I'm here to deliver a short speech on the topic, the role of teachers in shaping the society. Teachers play a very important role in building up of a child's future. A child learns many things from their teacher, as it is said. A mother is the child's first teacher. They learn how to speak, listen and behave to others from their mother itself. Just like that, for a student, a teacher must be a symbol of love, compassion and discipline. I cannot thank them enough for being my friend and guide. You taught me to dream big and achieve it. You all have encouraged me and has always the strongest pillar of support. You're the only reason that I am a strong and confident girl. Today I am extremely lucky to have you all as my teachers. Whatever I am today is because of my teachers. You make learning fun for us. I don't have enough words to express my gratitude. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I pray to God that you're happy and healthy. Thank